Hey, Performance Reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing and discussion of what's in this box. And it's something that I have bought before, and I decided I wanted another one for my house. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Lindhaus, they're out of Italy. They make quality stuff. Unfortunately, this box, this very plain series of box, has a retail of $6.99. Ooh. That is expensive, especially considering there are other options that do basically the same thing that this does for less. So let me go through, unbox it, show you what we have, and then we'll do a pickup test, and I'll explain to you why I personally wanted this for myself. The first box is a little contradictory. It says made in China, and this is literally how it came from Lindhaus when it was shipped to me, just in a bigger box. Again, for the retail price, this is unexciting. So let's open this up and then I'll explain what's in the other box. All right, and we have a picture of what we're getting. And I guess last time I had this in a different color. This is in a million languages. Oh, we got the Lindhaus girl, as usual. The backpack with HF6. Something right away is we have the schematic right there. That is amazing. So Lindhaus has great parts availability, and I would say they are one of the Clippy approved brands, their philosophy of how they make equipment. We have a red thing. What this is for, just like it says dry clean system, this is to use encapsulation cleaning with this. In the plain box, we have a very plain looking power head. The L-shaped has been scooped out to allow for a battery. And let's open this up. Now, I have Makita power tools. This is a generic Makita battery. The last one I had, I'll try to put in a picture, at least was marked Lindhaus. This is just a generic one. Yep, even has the green lights. This is from Amazon. Kind of silly to see that. That just goes in there, and then you turn it on. When it goes in the upright position, it shuts off. So really, I only use this switch if I'm going to hard floor, and I can flip it with my toe. The other thing on the bottom side of this, let's see when this was made. This was made in 2024, so I'll try to get this. So this was, again, just ordered from Lindhaus, but they have new old stock on here. And speaking of Lindhaus, they're under new management. The Italians are back in charge, so I suspect some of this stuff will get a little bit better. Like no lights in here. That was a decision made by Lindhaus USA. These are available overseas with lights. The next thing I just want to show, go to the meat and potatoes of this head, is this pops open, no tools. We can get to the roller. The roller has a wear mark on it. If you see this blue mark, that lets you know when the brush roller is worn out. The brush rollers on the cordless are a little bit softer than the non-cordless. While you can physically interchange these, if you do so, it will trigger the motor safety on the power head, so you really can't interchange them. You do have to use the soft brush roller for this head. And this is the 14-inch version. I believe this only comes in the 14-inch version. And one thing I love about Lindhaus is you can get the bearing caps separate. You can get just the roller separate. So that's kind of cool. Again, all easy to maintenance if you need. And then I have a separate video talking about how tangle resistant this head is. This head is extremely tangle resistant. In my personal house, I used this for 12 months straight, and I had just one string of hair stuck around it in 12 months, living with two ladies. So that's kind of cool. The belt is lifetime as well, so you're not going to replace the belt. And then we have soft rubber wheels in the rear, hard plastic up front, but these should be non-marine. The dry cleaning attachment just inserts like so, and then you put your lid back on. You pull your attachment out when you're done dry cleaning. So again, cool, versatile. So it has, you know, kind of an additional party trick compared to the other cordless heads on the market. It just snaps together really easy. The other thing about this is for $6.99, you are not getting a wand. You must provide your own wand. Again, I think that's a bit of a miss. What was provided again, also from China, was this wonderful knockoff charger. And I say wonderful because I have already charged the battery with it, and the display on this charger is better than the one I get personally on my Makita through the genuine one. So I do like that. Again, it tells you your amp, your battery percentage, and gives you a lot more data points to go with. And that's nice if you're using the generic batteries, because they can be a little bit funny with the genuine charger. Definitely like, and there's a USB port on it. One criticism I do have of this is that there is just a hole right there where the pigtail was. They could have at least 3D printed something and stuck it in there. And then to use this with the button lock, your wand is actually going to have the stuff on it. So I probably could order a Lindhaus wand, but again, I'm going to use this with a central vacuum and not a portable vacuum. The other thing I should have mentioned earlier in the video is this has an indicator light that gives you kind of a hint on how to adjust it and lets you know the status of the nozzle. So if it gets jammed or something, it's going to communicate with you. You also have a larger range and adjustment than previous Lindhaus products. We're going to do our usual pickup test with cat litter, fine sand, breakfast cereal, and some not so fresh pet hair. And of course we'll have the studio microphone running so you can hear the real sound of the machine. Alright, well this was hooked up to my DB9000 dual motor central vacuum. Cat litter gone. Pet hair gone. Breakfast cereal gone. A little bit of fine sand left, not too much. We could probably drop this nozzle down a little bit and probably pick up the rest of that. Yeah, there we go. So just have to set it a little bit lower for this particular carpet to pick up the fine sand, but that does excellent. All right, let's see how it does on that same mess on hard floor. All right, well, we have a piece of cat litter and a little bit of fine sand left. And again, this thing, when I look at the bottom side of this, there's no squeegee. So that's working all suction. So that's really the worst case scenario. I didn't buy this really to use this on hard floor. I bought this to use on carpet, so I'm okay with this. Well, Oreo, what are your final thoughts? So in conclusion, the Lindhaus power nozzle is built like a tank. It's quiet, it's pleasing in the ears, it has a battery system that can be replaced by numerous manufacturers, and the parts will be available for years to come. So it's Clippy approved. Now the downsides are kind of ugly. We're not getting the light in the US, and it is expensive, like almost outrageously expensive. Even for me, somebody who sees great value in high grade cleaning equipment, I think for the price of this nozzle, it's kind of a hard pill to swallow. And why I personally am going to continue using this in my house, and I wanted this nozzle. But I think for most people, the Vesselwork EBK 250 or 360 is going to be a better option financially. I want to elaborate why this was worth the price for me. I find the tone of this nozzle particularly pleasing compared to the other nozzles that are on the market that are cordless, and with retractable hoses this makes sense. Also, I do a bit of dry carpet cleaning in my house, so being able to just use this instead of pulling out a dedicated machine was appealing to me. The third thing is that having an MD central vacuum in my house, the stealth in my mind goes together, and that's more of a collector nostalgic thing on my part. So those were the things that made it especially appealing to me. So thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Definitely check out our Patreon if you want to see more content, and have yourself a wonderful day.